Nasiska, Xasenda Bahakas, and welcome back to my channel. So, Oscar Mbo is building his girlfriend partner a house. He took to his Instagram yesterday, sharing this a video with Vela. The girlfriend is a pregnant. It only makes sense to build a home for your family. Moving on to our next story, Ma'am Connie Ferguson was celebrating her 55th birthday, and people were questioning why didn't she attend Presley's funeral. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section about that. If you really enjoy my content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.